What do you call a bear that gets caught in a storm? A drizzly bear. Rain falls hard, life gets scarred, but I rise through the storm, breaking every norm. F this shitting rain. I'm having a hot shower. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. I forgot my umbrella today and don't have a raincoat. Rain is like that one friend who shows up unannounced, stays 2 weeks, ruins your hair, and then takes credit for watering your plants like they did you a huge favor. Can someone tell my boss I'll be late for work 'cause it's raining?